Car AC smells like vinegar. Causes and how to get rid of it. Does your car's AC smell like vinegar whenever you turn it on to cool the cabin? Dealing with the issue more quickly and effectively depends on identifying the precise causes of this unusual smell. You might notice that the unpleasant odor becomes stronger as time goes on. To see if the stench continues, turn off the air conditioner as soon as possible. If the odor disappears, there might be an issue with the AC. Nonetheless, let's learn the most common reasons why your car's AC smells like vinegar. 1. Mold in vents or ductwork. One of the main causes of the vinegar smell is mold growth. Fortunately, mold doesn't spread quickly, making it simple to prevent this problem, especially if you regularly maintain your air conditioning system. Mold growth is more common if you live in a warm, humid area. Because of this, it's crucial to clean the air conditioning system as frequently as possible. Otherwise, you might have to deal with mold. 2. Dirty or clogged cabin air filter. Another common cause of musty odors is a dirty or clogged air filter. To keep the AC system safe, this filter works well at trapping dirt and debris. But if the filter becomes clogged, it may also retain moisture and begin to grow mold. To avoid this, make sure you replace the cabin air filter according to the owner's manual's manufacturer guidelines. This filter should typically be changed once a year, although many people fail to do so. It's a quick procedure that keeps the cabin air at its best and spares you the vinegar smell. 3. Excessive condensation. Moisture and water become trapped inside the AC system regularly. Even before mold starts to grow, this condensation by itself might cause a vinegar smell. Trapped condensation often occurs due to system inactivity or blockages. 4. Moldy evaporator coil or fins. It's also likely that the evaporator coil or fins have become thick with mold. This typically occurs when a car is parked and isn't utilized frequently. You should routinely operate your car and switch on the air conditioning to dry it out to maintain low moisture levels. One sign that there is mold in the system is the vinegar smell. A complete breakdown of the AC system could potentially occur, especially as the problem worsens. If you have found this video informative so far, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and let's continue with the video. 5. Organic matter in car AC systems. Although it's unlikely, tiny creatures can enter the system, which is something nobody wants to consider. They will enter your car, especially if it has been parked for some time or if there are food crumbs and scraps inside. The small critter would likely die if it were to become trapped in the car's system. You would soon be able to smell the decaying body, which would smell like vinegar following this process. If you frequently go off-road in your car, you cannot avoid getting dead stuck in your air ducts. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.